Now, if you are new to trading or you have been trading before, I want you to hold on and watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you step by step guide how I analyze the market using top down analysis. Now, this is Chart Approach. It is a series of my YouTube channel where I show traders how to analyze the forex market. Now, I did an analysis on USD JPY. Come with me to my computer. Let me show you what is currently going on USD JPY. Let's go. All right, so welcome inside of my screen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So let's talk about USD JPY, right? So like I said, those of you that didn't watch my previous chart approach, just go and watch it now. I did an analysis on this pair already. So this is what is going. These are the zones like I mapped out on this particular pair, right? These are the key level. There's a key level here. There's a key level here, right? And now, if you scale to your weekly time frame, this is what this is the current flow of the market, right? This is the current flow, like the upward movement. And but if you scale to the weekly time frame, you get a clearer picture of what is currently going on, right? What is currently going on. Now, this is the weekly time frame, and you can see that the market created a high at this point. This is a zone here. You see, that's where the market is currently at here, which is at this particular zone, at this particular point here. Fell down, equal like equal highs, created a higher low. This was the first low, created a higher low, and this is the point here. And I said that if market broke this particular level, it's coming to this point here. And when I said that the market was around this point here, and I said something on the daily time frame, I'll later go to the daily time frame so you guys can see it. So the market fell down, went up, created a high at this point, then came down, right? It was supposed to like break this level initially, right? Because it created a high at this point here. If it's going up, break this level and continue going up. But that is not the case. That is not what is currently happening, right? The market went, created a high, went down, like created kind of an equal high, right? But it's not like initial, it's not actually an equal high, right? Because you can see this one is a little bit higher than this one. But if you check where you see that it's kind of an equal high, right? Those of you that know, you know. So if you draw something like this, you get, so it's like kind of an equal high, but a little bit above the actual high because this is where price went to, and then price later come down. Now, if you don't scale down to the daily time frame, right? Scale down to the daily time frame, then at this point, this is where you see what is actually happening, right? Now, you see that the market was going up at this point, right? It was just going up, and then it made this retracement to the downside, and then it went up, which is this particular point, then started falling down. Now, when I did just watch, this is like part two of the previous analysis I did. Now, just watch the previous analysis. The market was already around this point here. Now, the market went to this point and then fell down to this particular point, right? Now, I said if this market break this particular level here, I'm buying to the upside. But you can see what the market did. The market got to this point, like showed kind of a bullish candle to the upside. This is called a proceeding knot, right? There's something called proceeding knot in forex trading, whereby markets come down, it goes up, and then break below the particular level, right? It's called a proceeding knot, and then the markets continue proceeding to the initial direction. Now, this is what the market did now, break down to this particular point. And I said before that to this point, from that particular point to here, it's about 200 and something pips. So for those of you that like saw my previous video and sold this particular market, you would have made profit by now. Do you get? But initially, I didn't sell the market, right? Because what I'm waiting for is if the market is able to break this particular level now, this is the big dog here. This is the main catch here, right? From this point to this point, this is about like 790 pips, right? 790 pips. This is what me personally will be trading. Do you get? Now, if I'm a swing trader and I wait like most of the times, right? So if this particular market continue going down, I don't care. To just if it breaks out below this particular level, I'll just wait for my entry strategy at this point, then to this particular point. Now, this is what happened here. You can see this particular point. The market went up. Then it showed this sell signal at this particular point. So if you entered at this particular point here, let me show for the short at this point here, right? Sell at this point and your stop loss like somewhere around this level, and take profit is somewhere here. You'd have made like 1:3 for this particular trade because it later broke this particular level. Do you get? Now, I don't want to make this particular section long. Just watch the previous stuff. You understand what happened. The market went up, went down. Now I'm saying now, if this place is able to hold this market and is able to like fully break this level to around this level here, but if it breaks, see, listen, I said it here first again. If this particular level breaks down to this particular point, start trading around here, this is the next level target. So the market is going, what's it called? USDJPY is going to be selling for the longest time, right? That's if it's able to break this particular level. But as long as it stay above this particular level, this market might likely still buy to the upside, right? Because currently now it's like the current trend of this market is a downtrend. You get the current trend is a downtrend, but the overall trend is an upward trend. You get the overall trend is an upward trend, right? But the current trend now on the current trend on the daily is a downtrend. But if you go to the monthly, the overall trend is an uptrend. You see now, the market has been going up for the longest time, but the current trend, what's currently happening, is a downtrend, and it is advisable to trade alongside the it's advisable to trade alongside. That's it is better if the current trend matches with the overall trend, like around this point here to this particular point. So to this particular point, when the market was buying to the upside, this trade like this now, it was a good trade. This one was a retracement, and this one to the upside. Now this is kind of like a retracement. Now this one is not creating equal lows. If it breaks this level, know that, oh, this one is not equal low again. Oh, this one is not coming to this particular level. But if it continues start showing, there's a candlestick to start showing here, like it's called the bullish engulfing around this point. You say, okay, this market might likely start going up, or the pattern it will show at this particular point here. Do you get? But it might go up and come to this level, like form of break as it has broken this level, it might just come to retest and then start coming down. Now, not until the pattern forms fully. Do not conclude anything yet. Oh, is it double bottom or it's a? Do you get? Because the market. Let me explain what might likely go on. The market has come down to this particular point here. It might go up like this to this point and then come down to this point. Now, some people around this level will start buying. They said, oh, it's a what's it called? It's a double bottom. They'll start buying to the upside, and the market might just come up a little bit and then start going down. So be sure of what you are doing. Allow it to break this counter trend first before you start buying to the upside. Do you get? I said it here first at Trader Chris YouTube channel. Right? And for those of you that are complete beginner and you want to learn how to trade forex, you can have access to my 1 month free training on the description below. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, that's a paid mentorship. Use the link in the description to work on with me on a private one-on-one section, an online one-on-one mentorship. Right? I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.